A very good morning to all of you, and welcome to Prebell with Team William India. So today, August 14, 2023, and clear disclaimer that the registration granted by the SABI membership of BASL and certification from NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of return to investor. Investment in the security market are subjected to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Okay, so let's begin with Nifty 50 setup. थोड़ा weak लग रहा है overall setup. So the distribution day counts are elevated to 5. And those who don't know about distribution day count, it helps to identify the market tops. कि कहाँ से market weak होता जा रहा है वो identify हो सकता है. So in last 25 sessions, जो last 25 days है ना market के sessions, उसमें we got 5 distribution days. And the distribution day is when the market is falling 0.2% or more and the volume is higher than previous session. ठीक है, दो condition 0.2% और more का fall और volume higher than previous session. So ऐसा 5 बार हुआ है. That has happened 5 times in last 25 days. The good part is that in this week one distribution day will expire. See, जब वो 25 days की frame से बाहर होता है ना, when that this is just an example, when the distribution day is out of a 25 days frame, right, it falls off. फिर जो distribution day number 2 होता है, that will be 1 and जो 5 होगा वो 4 हो जाएगा, something like that. So that 25 days duration is very important. So once you are out of that, the previous distribution days falls, right? So one will be expiring this week, so it is better. So if we don't add more from here, the count will be down to 4 by the I think on Wednesday or no, on Thursday. Yeah. Okay, so this was about the distribution day. Now most important level is to hold the 50 DMA. ठीक है, बहुत time हो गया, we have not tested 50 DMA. Since we reclaimed it over here in the early April, in the first week of April, we reclaimed 21 DMA, and since then much more about 21 DMA. 50 DMA के काफी ऊपर हम trade कर रहे हैं. The red line is 50 DMA, and the green over here is the 21 DMA, और ये black 50 है, ठीक है. So this level is around 240, that is 19 to 40. 200 DMA, 19 to 40, sorry 50 DMA, and the previous low, यहाँ पे जो एक low बना था before 6 sessions, that is 295 or 294, ठीक है, 290 broadly लिख लेते हैं, 19 to 90. So I think the next zone of support, which is very strong, is this zone. You can say 240 to 290, और थोड़ा ज्यादा ही ब्रॉड कर दो इंट्राडे बेसिस पे तो 200 से 300 वाला जोन. I think 19,200, 19,300 is a very, very crucial zone for Nifty to hold now, because I think below that there can be a bit, the fall can be a little sharper and it might test this high. वो 8,888 वाला 18,888 वाला high वहाँ पे test कर सकता है. But yes, above that, I think this 19,200, 300 zone very, very crucial. Yeah, on the flip side, I think you want this 21 DMA to be reclaimed. Once we reclaim 21 DMA, I think we might make a move towards the new high or 20K. Okay, so we are into a last phase of results. So Divi's Lab, Rajesh Exports, PM Industries, AstraZeneca Pharma, these all will be reporting the results today. Aurobindo Pharma's Q1 was a miss. It missed estimates. Revenue growth was just less than 10%, while the profit declined more than 22% as the so JK Cement Q1 revenue growth was good, more than 20%. Profit declined but around 30%, and the margins contraction of 310 bips. Market might not like this. RVNL बहुत चर्चित, बहुत बात चलती है स्टॉक पे आजकल. The revenue growth was 20%, profit increased 15.3%, and the EBITDA margin expanded just 20 bips. Crompton Greaves Q1 revenue growth was 0.8% on a YOY basis, while the profit declined 2.1%, and there was contraction in EBITDA margins as well. PTC India Q1 revenue growth 12.5%, profit growth 10.6%, and margin expanded. So this can be watched out. कैसा चलेगा ये पता नहीं. But okay, there were other results as well. I think the ONGC EBITDA growth was decent, around 49%, while the margin were at 57%. That was really good. NMDC का result था. NMDC वो beat estimate. ठीक है. ABB का result अच्छा था. And then if you look at Muthoot Finance was good. Nykaa का ओवरऑल इतना अच्छा नहीं था, बट रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ अच्छा था. मार्जिन 5.2% था, डाउन फ्रॉम 5.4, बट या रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ वाज गुड, 9.2% ऑन अ क्यूओक्यू बेसिस. देन अदर गुड रिजल्ट्स, एनएचपीसी का अच्छा था, एवररेडी का भी अच्छा था. ऑन द फ्लिप साइड देयर वर सम नेगेटिव न्यूज. अदानी पोर्ट्स में थोड़ा वो डेलोइट ने रिजाइन कर दिया, वो वाला नेगेटिव था. वोल्टास एंड सिटी यूनियन बैंक तो लिटिल वीकर रिजल्ट, otherwise not a major point. Okay, so let's go to some last parts. Global market, US Friday को mostly flat था, but Asian market todays are weak. So it's a little bit weak today. Mostly they are all the Kospi, Shanghai, and Nikkei all are down 1%. If you look at the SGX Nifty, it indicates a negative opening. So last week Friday को around 428 close हुए थे, और अभी futures level is around 426. So we might open some 30-40 points lower, around 400. There can be a chances, but still you have some time to make a move here and there. But broadly, थोड़ा red में opening होगा, flat to negative you can say. And the last part, the chart of the day. So this one seems interesting. Like when the market is falling, this Home First Finance is consolidating on a or making a handle on a very low volume. देखो पूरा sideways move दे रहा है, 21 DA में hold किया है, ठीक है. Low volume, almost half हो गया, half से भी कम हो गया. You can say just 30% volume than the average volume. So the setup is good. Cup formation was decent. थोड़ा बड़ा है, थोड़ा wide and loose है, but overall broadly it's good. What I want is the relative strength to improve. 51 थोड़ा weak है, but you still have that 5% to pivot. So you want that 5% to cover on a decent volume. And ये जो RS है वो ऊपर की साइड चला जाएगा ना एक बार, then that's good, not a problem. EPS is best, 91. The EPS and as well as the revenue growth is consistent. Even look at the fund holding. The fund holding has been increasing, right? So no two ways about that. The buyer demand is superb. A का buyer demand है. जब भी ऊपर जाता है तब उसमें अच्छा accumulation होता है. देखो, this accumulation on the right side base was very good, right? यहाँ से बस पूरा volume drop हो गया है, bearing few candles. So it's a decent setup overall, but let's see if it can break out. It's still 5% to pivot, and you want the RS to improve from here. So that's it for today's session, guys. Thank you for joining. So tomorrow there's a market holiday, Independence Day. So wish you all a very happy Independence Day in advance. See you again on Wednesday at 8:45 a.m. Thank you for joining. Jai Hind.